A lot of the customers and a lot of the people that were there, I had a Nigerian man who was departing walk up to me and said, "Sister, it's okay. It's okay. This is what they do." We keep excusing what they do. Every time I come into the airport, I am harassed. I am having to have to deal with bribes and lies. So finally, after going past customs, I stood there and I said, I am not moving until I speak to someone that is in charge, because they kept lying to me and telling me this person was in charge and this person was in charge. And that person was not the one that was in charge. Why? Because they did not want to get exposed to the station manager of Qatar Airlines. I finally, after 2 hours of standing there, them lying with the bribes, and then after waiting for the station manager, because they hugged me and they asked me to forgive them and they asked me, please don't tell they're going to lose their jobs.
Now say this Nigeria airport, the way that they behave for them, my people, you go even tired to go Nigeria. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video when I see just now, when one America based do, the thing just they make me the shame, like seriously. They make me the shame because the way Nigerians they behave for airporting, it's not good at all. This their bribing and corruption, don't they too much, my darling people? It don't they too much, like seriously. How can somebody who wants to go in your country again? You see they fear to go? Now, wow, because the way they go to disturb you, the way they go to treat you, it could just be like say you become monarch. For your own country, where you're supposed to be happy, say you don't land. This bribing, what you go make una cost? Not be small thing. And when they forget, say social media life now with this so. Social media life now with this so. Any small thing don't attach to social media. Anything don't attach social media. I just see this video just now, my people. I go put them on a list now. The thing shockalize me. The woman they vex say they reach Nigeria, the way they take they behave for airport, take they want collect bribe. It happened to me too when I go Nigeria. For inside airport there. Now so they begin they disturb me. They begin to tell me say make I give them money. The one why me push Carello, he say I go give her money. That is this one a bribing, It don't pass Joromi. Any small thing in a video, when I go see on herself for social media, now so the life can't be now. If you not like more, not change. If you not like more, not change. Now know. The way Nigeria say they behave these days, it's not good, really. The truth have to be said, yeah. As I see this video just now, I say, yeah, this woman don't lie. That is I dey shame for una. If una not dey shame me, I dey shame for una. I dey shame for una. Una see they get shame. Person want go in country, you go see they fear to go. They'll go they ask you waiting not even like they'll go. I say when I first go the first time to Nigeria, they tell me say where the passport when me take travel go Europe for a long time ago. Where the passport. I was like, are you kidding me right now? Now they asked me passport when I take travel before. My darling people, I said the thing shockalize me. What I not even expect. Now I tell them say the passport is not there with me. They say, okay, I have to put money for inside this passport when we give them so. When we take come Nigeria, I have to put money inside for them before they go allow me pass. Suppose say I can't see video at that time, uncle. Una they see matter. The thing they read they surprise me. Say, what it go make Nigerians they behave like this to their own? Why? If you go other African countries and they go respect you, the way they go take treat you, you yourself go they even they surprise. Why it can't be say our own Nigeria? They don't they treat us well for airport. Why? Why did they behave like that? Now, know how many people wey don dey this kind of situation. This woman talk so many things, like the thing really shock me. Say Nigeria, see, mo una take am easy, no be alone una dey that country. This one a bribe, e don pass Joromi. E don pass Joromi. Mo una dey shame. Mo una dey shame, like shame. I dey shame for una. I no lie. I dey shame for una. This one a bribing. Give me something. Give me something. So it don't spread so many things for that Africa. So say our brother said go even give una something, you go pass. Killer go give una something, you go pass. Person one suppose cash for airports because of bribe, una will collect and una go let am pass. Now wow, my darling people, I go put the video now more and listen to wetin the woman talk. The thing go shock una. This Nigeria airport, the thing don dey too much for una. My darling people, more I watch this video when I want show una, so una go know why I dey provoke like this. Thank you, my darling people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
A lot of the customers and a lot of the people that were there, I had a Nigerian man who was departing walk up to me and said, "Sister, it's okay. It's okay. This is what they do." We keep excusing what they do. Every time I come into the airport, I am harassed. I am having to have to deal with bribes and lies. So finally, after going past customs, I stood there and I said, I am not moving until I speak to someone that is in charge, because they kept lying to me and telling me this person was in charge and this person was in charge. And that person was not the one that was in charge. Why? Because they did not want to get exposed to the station manager of Qatar Airlines. I finally, after 2 hours of standing there, them lying with the bribes, and then after waiting for the station manager, because they hugged me and they asked me to forgive them and they asked me, please don't tell they're going to lose their jobs, did it until the nitty came down to the gritty, until I raised my voice. And until they seen that they weren't getting any money out of me, that's when they decided to scan the paperwork to see if it was a real PCR test. When they seen this paper, they automatically said, no, ma'am, you are not going to make this flight. You're going to have to reschedule your flight. And then I told them, no, I went on a portal. This is on the portal. I went on your actual website. They had no right to tell me that all they had to do was just check the PCR, because it was supposed to be Qatar Airline that was supposed to check and make sure I have the right PCR testing, not the Nigerian airport. Now back to this man with the black mask. He was actually the one that bribed my husband for 25,000 naira. Part 3. So this is the actual footage that I took while in line, while they told me I couldn't get on my airplane with my correct PCR test. Him, he's one, goes airport. So firstly, what you should know is that your significant other is not allowed to enter into the airport to help you with bags, to help you check in, to help you understand the language. And the reason why they do that is so therefore they can take advantage of you and take advantage of the situation and lie to you about your paperwork. I've even heard of cases where guys had to bribe their way in just to say goodbye to their loved one, their wives, or their families and children. They had to pay the person that was standing at the door just to come in to help. So now I'm going to talk about when I left this year in 2021. You see the man that's standing next to my husband with the black mask on? My husband is the one in the orange. My husband actually had to sneak into the airport to help.